Hello everyone, my name is Abiba Nur Alisa. I am a student at Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya, majoring in Pharmacy Class 1B. In this video, I would like to share my personal reflection on my experience in the English for Pharmacy course. Through this course, I didn't only learn English, but I also learned how to be more confident, how to speak bravely, and how important English is in the world of pharmacy. My first real experience speaking English in this course was when I got a task to make a video dialogue between a pharmacist and a patient. I worked on this project with my friends and we divided the roles. I acted as the pharmacist and my friend acted as the patient. At first, I felt very nervous. I was afraid of mispronouncing words or sounding strange. It was also quite challenging because we had to use many medical terms that I had never said before. We had to recall several times because of pronunciation mistake or forgotten lines. But throughout that process, I learned so much. I learned that speaking English is not about being perfect, it's about being brave enough to try. Every mistake became a valuable lesson that helped me grow more confident. The moment that made me proud was when we finally watched our finished video. It felt amazing to hear myself speaking English fluently and naturally even if it was still simple. That moment made me realize that I had overcome my fear and made real progress. Out of all the chapters we studied, the one that interested me the most was Chapter 9, Neurologic System and Mental Health. This chapter helped me understand how deeply connected our mind and body are. I learned how stress, anxiety, and sleep disorder can affect the nervous system, and how medications such as antidepressant or anxiolytic work to help stabilize those conditions. This topic felt very relevant to real life. As a student, I have also experienced stress from assignment and exams. After learning these chapters, I became more aware of how emotion and mental health can influence our physical well-being. This chapter gave me a deeper appreciation of mental health and reminded me that the best medicine isn't always in the form of pill or capsules. Sometimes it's kindness and compassion. Throughout this semester, I've learned so many things from this English course. I've become more familiar with medical vocabulary, learned how to communicate more professionally, and gained more confidence in using English in a pharmacy context. The biggest challenge for me is listening skill. Sometimes I still find it difficult to understand speakers with fast or different accents, especially when watching videos or listening to formal conversation. But this motivates me to keep practicing and improving. In the future, I want to develop my speaking and listening skill even more so that I can communicate effectively with healthcare professionals and patients not only in Indonesia but also from other countries. Based on my effort and progress this semester, I believe I deserve an A grade because I always work hard, actively participate in every task, and do my best to make my work as perfect as possible. Overall, this course has given me many valuable lessons, not only about language, but also about courage, teamwork, and the motivation to keep growing. I'm truly grateful from this learning journey, from being nervous at the beginning to working together with my friend and finally feeling more confident step by step. I hope my experience can inspire others to keep learning and never be afraid to try something new.